Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow notifications from a specific website in Google Chrome. This is useful if you've previously blocked notifications from a website and now want to receive alerts from it. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Then, select Site Settings. Scroll down and click Notifications. Under the Not Allowed to Send Notifications section, find the website you want to allow. Click the three-dot menu next to the website. Then select Allow. The website will now be moved to the list of sites that are allowed to send notifications. You can also allow notifications for a new website by clicking Add next to the Allowed to Send Notifications section. Enter the website address and click Add. Now, when that website sends a notification, Chrome will be able to display it on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to allow notifications from a specific website in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.